Today we are going to make crispy and tasty bread rolls with paneer stuffing. Do you know what's special about them? They are deep fried, but they have not absorbed any amount of oil. Carefully follow the steps shown in our video to make perfect bread rolls.